Hi, I'm Tim Pennington, editor of Products Finishing Magazine, and here's a look at some of the products and services that you'll find on display at the Surfing Conference, which will be held June 3rd through June 5th in Chicago at the Donald Stevens Convention Center in Rosemont. Price Waldron and Jessup Systems, along with parent company George Cook Sons, designs, manufactures, and installs custom surface finishing equipment servicing the automotive, aerospace and military, agricultural, and industrial marketplaces, as well as job shop businesses. Their automated systems are installed in applications implying electrocoat, liquid and powder coating, plating, phosphating, anodizing, and porcelain enamel. Stop by their booth to be one of the first to see their brand new interactive smart controls design. Coventya's 3S technology is designed to replace conventional metal anodes, such as nickel or steel, with size-selective membrane anodes for the company's Performa alkaline zinc-nickel processes. Atotech's BluCr is a trivalent hard chrome plating process, offering the wear resistance and corrosion protection of hard chrome without the hazards and risks of hexavalent chromium. Tri-Mer's wet control equipment includes a chemical-free fan separator that scrubs corrosive fumes, a crossflow for organic compounds, and odor control systems. Fischer Technology's quality control solutions include integrated measurement technology and are designed to customer specifications. Caplugs CSPP series of plugs are made of the company's ultra-bake material and are designed to match the angled face of the countersunk hole. You can also get the latest news about surfing and get up-to-date lists of all the exhibitors and speakers by visiting nasfsurfing.com. I'm Tim Pennington with Product Finishing Magazine, and thank you for watching.